Good morning everyone. In today's video I'm going to talk about one indoor plant that is known as dumb cane plant or Dieffenbachia. So this plant is very easy to maintain plant and indoor house plant, but there are a few things that you need to take care while keeping it indoor. Although there are so many plants which turn towards sunlight, but this plant turns directly towards sunlight and it keeps itself towards sunlight for longer duration. You can see I had kept it since last 15 to 20 days in the same place and I did not turn it around, so it is taking a little downward shape. So today I'm turning it back, and as per the soil and water requirement is needed, so the soil should be porous and watering is very less needed in this plant. So I water it once or twice a week maximum, not more than that. So this is all about this plant. You can maintain it indoor, but excess sunlight should be avoided for this plant, so you should try